Mijas penthouse with a modern twist. Step from a neat little front garden, adorning the entrance, into a modern fully fitted kitchen, guaranteed to meet the standards of the most fastidious individual. The kitchen, as well as the whole apartment, has been completely reformed to highest standards. The old wooden frames have been removed and replaced with modern high-quality, low-maintenance polyurethane frames. And openings have sliding frames with mosquito screens fitted. The quality of fittings need to be seen to be appreciated. Built-in cupboard with a sliding door. Spacious lounge and dining area with beautiful tiled flooring. Stackable sliding doors lead out onto a cozy terrace with views towards the ocean, which is less than 200 meters away. The view from the terrace showing the ocean. Spacious, well-maintained gardens. Enjoy soaking up the more than 300 days of sun on the Costa del Sol. Take a short walk over to the communal pool. Watch the children, as they enjoy splashing, in the shallow children's pool. Perhaps enjoy a walk to the beach, to enjoy an early morning sunrise. Or, visit one of the many coffee shops in the area of La Cala. A walk of less than 1 kilometer along the beachfront. Partake of some of the local cuisine. Enjoy the festivals. There are many festivals celebrated throughout the year. Always a reason to party, and make music. Perhaps you prefer a round of golf. You will be spoiled for choice, with so many top-class golf courses, in close proximity. Do you enjoy water sports? Sail, perhaps? There are many ports and marinas all along the Costa del Sol coastline. The closest is Fuengirola, which is about 5 kilometers away. And then there is Sangria, when you need to just do whatever you feel you need to do. And, as evening beckons, a glass of wine with your loved one. Enjoying the twilight as the music, and the happy sounds in the background, remind you of how wonderful it is to be living here. One Vision Properties, a small yet multi-award winning company. Give us a call. You will like us.